This is your new home. You want to come see? We have got your litter box. We've got a bed. We've got some water, and bowls, and some toys. Whenever you're ready, you can come out. You're curious, aren't ya? It's a lot nicer in here than it is in the garage. Come on out, little ones. You're safe now. You have a home. You want to see what the toys are? I'll just hang out with you for a bit. And then I'll leave you alone and let you explore. But for now, I'll just